Hi everyone, this is Bag of Don, Stock Market Caddy, May 14th at 1 o'clock. Very, very interesting. The VIX, look at it, still short. No one's buying any protection. Does that mean that we should not be concerned? No. But what it does mean is that the market yet has to pick up on any fear. Now, it could come in. Somebody mentioned, I think it was red mud, the old proverbial beach ball thrusting up from underneath the water if it's been held underneath, or more like God forbid, a trident launch from a submarine. When this VIX starts to pop up, it really could be a massive move in the up VIX and a massive move down. This is contrarian now. So when you see this short signal, this is short meaning on the VIX. That is a bullish stance for the indices. It has been and has been for some time. So a reversal in this complex, which we think is near, could significantly turn things down. We know that this complex has been targeted by the central planners and some of the banksters to keep everybody calm. The bigger market that they can't really target, and I want to bring this into view. We're passing by the Dow, the dollar. One of the other markets is this long on the Japanese yen. This would be contrarian to our markets, but we're coming by some currencies, and so much of this is currency related. I want to bring your attention to this complex. Let me bring it right up. It is the 10-year bond, and the 30-year bond. Long, green, okay, solidly moving up. Green, reversal up. Lots of green. That's bullish bonds. What does that mean for interest rates? Interest rates are moving down. So people are moving massive amounts of money to the sidelines. They're not concerned with about getting their return on money. They're worried about getting the return of their money. So this is a complex that we trust much more than the VIX. So the bond market is signaling to us that there's something imminent. So you don't want to be going in there and adding to your long positions here or buying any kind of a dip here. This should work itself out probably really soon. Friday is an options expiration day. I wouldn't be surprised. One maybe a little bit of a push up, and then come Monday, but probably going to be sooner than that. The other complex is gold, long. The daily is flat. If you've ever been looking to get into a long position on gold, the gold futures is trading at 1305. That would put the GLD probably around 130. We think the risk reward, this would be a good opportunity to be picking up gold, at least from a trading vehicle. If you want to be picking up gold long term as a store of value, as a hedge, you don't put everything into any one asset class. We're totally fine with that. But I would really recommend that you own the hard metal, the metal itself, in storage, someplace secure. Alrighty, folks. So this is very, very troubling, not for us, but for the bulls on the stock market. This is not conducive for a continuation of a bull run in stocks. Just isn't. This is a very significant move today. Good luck. Be careful. Today's close could be important.